It's the beginning of another day for Richard Shelley. What makes today different for Richard is he's noticing all the products around him that improve his quality of life, because he'll soon be making some of them.
I think manufacturing for me has always just kind of been in the background. I've never really thought about it until this opportunity came about. When the opportunity came up, then I started to notice all of the different products that we use on a daily basis. They're integral to everything we do.
I love working here. It's fun. It's one of those jobs that you get to come to work and I don't get to Sunday night going, oh, it's Monday. You know, I don't want to go to work, but I love coming, love the people I work with, and it's something fun, different every day.
Travis Denny works on the production line at Blendtec Blenders while putting himself through college.
I like building, I like doing things with my hands and the physical aspect of doing stuff. So if you're looking into a career that you want to enjoy and you like doing stuff like that, this would be one to do.
But Blendtec is not known for just being a great place to work.
We're known for our innovative designs and our blenders. You see them everywhere in retailers, you see them all over the internet. Speaking of the internet, we're also known for our innovative marketing campaign, Will It Blend, where our crazy CEO, Tom Dixon, gets to showcase how powerful our blenders are through these crazy Will It Blend videos.
Break and shake light sticks.
I love my new iPad. My new iPhone 4 to blend super glue, but will it blend?
You know, I kind of started working here part-time in high school, and then that led into full-time, and then I just stuck with it ever since. And I like the idea of being in a routine, and I like the idea of being a part of something.
And more than 7 years later, Quentin Stevens has moved up the ranks to assistant production manager.
That was something that kind of helped motivate me as well. Is, you know, I saw opportunities that I could grasp. You know, I had goals that were realistic, and I was able to achieve them.
Seeing a large-scale manufacturing process up close every day has given Quentin a new appreciation of the benefits of manufacturing.
You and I right now, as we're sitting, the camera that we're on, the chairs that we're sitting on, the lighting that's right here, the clothing that we're wearing, everything is being produced somewhere and manufactured somewhere. There's labor going into it, there's ingredients in this bakery, there's overhead, there's so many things that are going into the things that we take for granted every day.
IM Flash Technologies is a state-of-the-art facility that manufactures flash memory for use in consumer electronics, removable storage, and handheld communication devices. The cutting-edge technology manufactured in Lehi, Utah, impacts everyday life around the planet.
We supply a lot of product to, companies all over the world. And so you can see a tangible impact that the company has on the economy, which is really, refreshing.
In a little over a year at Mite, John Bryan has worked in both shipping and on the production line.
I heard from a friend of a friend about this place and got involved with it, and it's just been a real breath of fresh air.
He's already moved up within the company and says there are many more opportunities.
In production, shipping, sales, there's a lot of aspects of it, and when you think about it and look to see what your role is and just the teamwork of all the components put together, it's It's pretty amazing. And with the growth of the company, you can write your own check if you have that desire in your heart and you want to learn and you want to move up and you exhibit that work ethic.
John takes tremendous pride in what he does and being able to manufacture a product in his home state.
It's so important for the average American to kind of look back home and say, hey, what are we doing? You know, it's not doing us any good to buy things from overseas. We need to start concentrating on, you know, spending it where it's at and making it where it's at and putting the United States back on the map as far as the quality product that we used to put out back in the 40s and 50s when, you know, made in the USA meant something. We're trying to bring that back.
Back at home, Richard is thinking about his new chance to join the ranks of Utah manufacturers.
I have this friend, he was talking to me about a great opportunity that he ran across to go work for a company that paid for additional training and education and make a salary that is far above anything I've ever expected to make.
So Richard is off to a special program at Salt Lake Community College to train for a job at L3 Communications.
I'm going to teach you how to strip the jacket off this cable.
We decided that we would form the University of Manufacturing. It's an L3 university, and it would have some colleges just like normal university would. We have the College of Inspection and the College of Assembly.
Students study and learn just like any other classroom, but the classrooms are not like any other classrooms.
And we have furnished those with state-of-the-art equipment that we actually use on our production floor.
Chris Schroeder is a graduate of the program.
I'm an electromechanical assembler, and I work in the SRA lab, and I work on a lot of the repairs from all the products that L3 sends out. They send them back in, and our lab works very closely with repairing all of those products.
Before L3, Chris was a security guard and saw no opportunity to better his life until he heard about the program from a friend, so he applied.
Well, when L3 gave me a call and said they wanted me to come in and fill a position for them, I had to go through an initial 8 weeks of training. In that time, they put me through some IPC standards and J standard, and a lot of these certifications come with quite a hefty price tag. L3 was nice enough to foot the bill on that.
Chris says it has been life-changing.
I'd probably be stuck in a job where I had no ladder to climb. I would be making the same amount forever and ever, no progression, be essentially stuck in a dead-end job. Now I have a very particular set of skills that I can use and look forward to a long career.
Manufacturing in Utah, from your morning donut to your high-tech tablet, or the chair you're sitting on right now, it's a nearly $18 billion industry, providing more than 140,000 jobs.
We're not your grandfather's manufacturing industry anymore. We're a very high-tech, highly skilled, highly advanced manufacturing industry that needs today's youth. We need their skills. We need the skills of youth, believe it or not, and their ability to play video games and use controllers, because many of those same types of controllers and softwares and systems are used in high-tech manufacturing companies.
The Utah Manufacturers Association says the state is on the cusp of a great movement in manufacturing.
And that's why we say manufacturing drives your quality of life. If you like the things that make daily life possible, modern life possible, think a manufacturer. They've produced that, whether it's your alarm clock that wakes you up in the morning, or the TV that you get your news on, or you know, the breakfast foods that you eat throughout, you know, your vehicle. All of those things are part of a manufactured world.
And Richard sees his quality of life improving on multiple levels as manufacturing now becomes his career.
The manufacturing environment in Utah is really amazing. There are a lot of companies here that have great wages, competitive benefits, and having that opportunity allows me to look forward to the future. You know, I can earn a great wage, make a good living, and enjoy the things that I want to in life because of manufacturing.